Good morning to all. We are starting today chapter 13 Application of Percentage. Today our topic is compound interest. When interest after a fixed time is added to the principal amount and then interest is calculated, this kind of interest is called compound interest. In other meaning, compound interest is the interest which is calculated to the previous principal and the interest both. This means interest over interest is known as compound interest. Now compound interest formula is principal big bracket 1 plus r upon 100 power t minus 1 upon big bracket close, where principal is p is principal, r is rate of interest and t is time. This is the method to find the compound interest when interest is calculated annually. Now one more method, this is the first method to find and this is the second method. In second method, how we can able to find? Amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t, and when we find the amount, then compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. This is also when the interest is calculated annually. Now when the interest is calculated half yearly, the formulas are same but times become double and rate becomes half. Half yearly means 6 months. Now see question number first. Find the compound interest for rupees 4,000 at the rate of 5% for 2 years. So solution, here principal is given rupees 4,000, rate is given 5% and time is given 2 years. So first we have to find the amount. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t. So principal means principal is equal to 4,000, 1 plus r means rate is equal to 5% upon 100, power t means 2 year. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 ja 0. So 4,000, 1 plus 1 upon 20 power 2. So 4,000, here nothing means 1, 1 and 2 20. What is the LCM? LCM is 20. Now we have to do cross multiply. 1 multiply by 20, 20 plus 1 multiply by 1, 1. So 4,000 multiply by 20 plus 1, 21 upon 20 power 2 means 4,000 multiply by 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 ja 0. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 ja 0. So 10 multiply by 21 multiply by 21. So the answer will come 4,410. This is the amount. Now we will find here compound interest. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is equal to rupees 4,410 minus principal is 4,000. So what is the answer? Compound interest is equal to 410 is the answer. Now question, Anuradha deposited rupees 8,000 in an institute at 5% interest per annum in compound interest. Find out the amount of money that she would get after a period of 3 years. So solution, Anuradha deposited money. Anuradha deposited money is equal to principal rupees 8,000 and rate is equal to 5% and time is equal to 3 years. So first we have to find here amount. Find out amount. So amount we have to find. So amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t. So principal is 8,000, 1 plus r value is 5 upon 100 power 3. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 ja 0. So 8000, 1 plus 1 upon 20 power 3. So 8000. Here LCM is 20. Now cross multiply to 1 multiply by 20, 20 plus 1 multiply by 1, 1. So 8000 multiply by 21 upon 20 power 3. So 8000 multiply by 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20. Now here you have to do cancel. 0 0 0 0 0 0 cancel. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. 21 multiply by 21 multiply by 21. 21 multiply by 21, 441, 441 multiply by 21, rupees 9261. It means amount of money she would get after a period of 3 years is rupees 9261. She get rupees 9261 after 3 years. That is the answer. Now question. Anamika deposited rupees 24,000 at 10% annual interest for 1.5 years. If the interest is calculated every 6 months means half yearly, how much money will she get on maturity? So solution. Anamika deposited rupees 24,000, that is the principal. 24,000 is the principal. At how many rate? 10% rate. And time how many? For 1.5 years. So here interest is calculated every 6 months means half yearly. So for half yearly rate 10% will divide by 2. How many percent will come? 5%. And time 1.5 year multiply by 2. So 1.5 year multiply by 2 means double of 1.5 year is 3 years. 1.5 year multiply by 2. So 1 multiply by 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 upon 2 multiply by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So how many years? 3 years. Then we have to find here amount. So principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t. So principal is 24,000. 1 plus r is 5%. Rate we have to take 5% upon 100 power t means time. Time we have to take 3 years. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 ja 0. So 24,000 1 plus 1 upon 20 power 3. So 24,000. Here we have to take LCM. No number means 20. So 20 multiply by 1, 20 plus 1 multiply by 1, 1. So 24,000 multiply by 21 upon 20 power 3. So 24,000 multiply by 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20. Now here 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 12 ja 24, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Then again 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Then we have to multiply 3 multiply by 21 multiply by 21 multiply by 21. Then the answer will come rupees 27,783. That is your answer. Your main answer is C. Get rupees 27,783 on maturity. Now question. Find out the difference between simple interest and compound interest for rupees 3,200 at the rate of 10% annually in 2 years. So here first we have to find the simple interest. First we have to write principal is rupees 3200, rate is equal to 10% annually, time is equal to 2 years. So we have to find the simple interest. Simple interest formula is principal into rate into time upon 100. The principal 3200 multiplied by 10, rate multiplied by 2, time upon 100, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. 32 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2. So the answer is 640. Then after that we will find compound interest. So compound interest we can find by direct formula, principal big bracket 1 plus r upon 100 power t minus 1. So principal is what? 3200. Now 1 plus r value is 10 upon 100 power 2 minus 1. Now 3200, 0, 0 cancel, 1 plus 10 upon 2 power 2 minus 1. Now 3200, here we have to find the LCM. So here nothing number means 1. 1 and 10 LCM is 10. Now cross multiply, 1 multiply by 10, 10 plus 1 multiply by 1, 1. Now minus 1. Now 3200, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10 power 2 minus 1. Now power 2 means multiply 2 times. So 3200, 11 multiplied by 11, 121, 10 multiplied by 10, 100, minus 1, bracket close, 3200. Now here nothing means we have to take here number 1. To 1 and 100 the LCM is 100. Now 121 multiplied by 1, 121 minus 1 multiplied by 100, 100. Cross multiply we have to do. 3200 multiplied by 121 minus 100, 21 upon 100. Now 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 32 multiplied by 21. So answer is rupees 672. So our compound interest is 672 and simple interest is 640. What we have to find difference between compound interest and simple interest. So difference is equal to compound interest minus simple interest. Compound interest is 672 and simple interest is rupees 640. So what is our answer? The answer is 32 is the answer. Now your today's homework is these 3 questions are your homework. Do by yourself.